If you want me, if you need me, I'm yours.
Woo! Good morning, ladies and gentlemen! Tradecaster, YouTube, TikTok, etc.com, baby. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day here, man. Hope you guys are all printing, profiting, getting those green trades in, baby. And guys, man, welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, we have an action-packed day ahead of us. Let's make sure to hop into this one, get it going. Yeah, buddy. What's up, Surprise? What's up, buddy? Guys, let's kick it off, man. So sorry I'm here a little bit later, but we got some things to go over. So let's start going over them. Let's get everything going on. Alright. So traders, man, it is Monday morning, 9:30, 9:45. I'm 15 minutes late to the party. It's okay. 9:45 a.m. traders. We do got a few things to go over. I want to go over with you guys. Starting off with our economic data for the day. This is the first thing I do every morning when I wake up. If you guys don't do it, start doing it. You never want to be caught by surprise. So 10 a.m. we have U.S. leading economic indicators coming out, and that's the only news for today. The rest of it's at 5 o'clock and 6:40 Eastern time, by the way. 8:55 a.m. we have Fed President Logan speak, Dallas Fed President. Tomorrow we basically don't have any news either. We have a Fed President speaking tomorrow, Philadelphia Fed President. And yeah, and then Wednesday we have existing home sales at 10 a.m. So that'll be nice. Okay, so we really don't have news till 10 a.m. today, and then after that Wednesday. So traders, man, absolute a banger. So as market does its thing here and starts spiking, ripping, running, let's take a look at some of these plays. We have Nvidia on our right here ripping up. We have Intel on our right here, getting a little bit down there, a little bit down in the groove. Then we also have, take a look at Apple. Apple, chilling out to the top side, not bad, not bad. Apple, Microsoft real quick we'll take a look at before we dive into some of the plays. Microsoft, not bad. Okay, and last but not least, Tesla. I just want to take a look at. Tesla, not bad, and maybe Meta. Meta might as well. Okay. All right, so Nvidia is definitely our number one gapper to the top side here right now. But YB, so, you know, you're at 484 balance, but I think you ended yesterday or Friday at 700 something. I was looking to take some longs here. You see this right here, guys? So this is what 2 micros on MNQ. Market, this is that dip buy area right here at that 60 level, near that 60 level right there, right? And I was looking to see if it was going to bounce there. It did do a small bounce from 60 up to 80, but ended up coming to the downside there and just started to punch it. So I got my stop loss. Another entry there. I had another dip by near, what is it? Entry near 59 off of that. And then my stop loss near 17. Again, micros only, guys. Just some of that Monday action. Wanted to get in, see if I could catch anything overnight. But now we wait and watch. Only down, I think it's like 200 bucks. Yeah, 230 bucks, so not bad, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, chilling out, waiting and watching. Want to see this market continue to rip and run. But with the way it's working and looking right now, I would love to see some sort of pullback come into play down to the 583.75 level, those 583 levels, and then for this thing to continue to spike, rip, run. So yeah, buddy, ladies and gentlemen, man. Hope you guys are all having a good day. Hopefully you guys are all getting it in, getting it going, getting the trades rolling, baby, because we got some stuff happening today. Today's gonna be a very eventful day, man. So right there up to 43, ladies and gentlemen. Not bad, not bad at all. Want to see this thing continue to rip and run and take off to the top side. If it's gonna go like I want it to go, you know what I mean? I want it to go really sky high. But another thing I wanted to talk about with you guys is this right here. Our trend line is finally broken to the downside, guys. Our trend line finally got broke to the downside. You can even adjust this a little bit if you want, but if you want to go by that 1 point, we're basically right within the trend line. But my original trend line we did break by, you know, about $5, or excuse me, by about $3. So right there's one touch. It was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 right there. And then we finally broke down here, coming right back up into it, right? But if you adjust it right here, we still have yet to break it and hold underneath it because market decided to spike. But all I'm going to say is we're within this triangle pattern, guys, still. If we can break out above the price of 585, ladies and gentlemen. Made me a little nervous. I was like, what is that noise? Anyways, if we can break out above the price of 585 there, ladies and gentlemen, that would be awesome. That'd be beautiful, right? So until that happens, though, I'm just chilling out, waiting and watching, right? I would like to see a spike rip run come in here, but until then, just chilling out. So guys, let me make a quick phone call, and then I will be right back in at it. All right, guys. So chilling out. Oh, appreciate the notification there, Ray. I was indeed. I was indeed. I was on a little phone call. Oh, what is it? All right, guys. So we're chilling out, waiting and watching right now. I do want to see this market get a little bit of a pullback, right? It's like if we're gonna spike rip run, I want to see us get up to 585, right? If we're gonna chill out a little bit, we're gonna stall out. Let's not stall out too much. Let's get a nice little dip buy area, and us to be able to get filled, get green, get out today. That'd be a good play, right? A little greenito. But until then, chilling out, waiting and watching. So yeah, buddy. So yeah, buddy, guys. So chilling out, man. I do like this little spike up coming into play here. Dude, it's just a matter of can we get above 585. We got above it. Last last Friday. But look at what happened every time we're above 585. Spike, dump, right? Oh, right here in post market there. Spike, dump, right? So it's like, Can we really hammer in on it and get above it? It's like, I guess we'll see. Only time will tell, right, dude? Only time will tell. But did you guys, any of you guys that use Apex, what is it? Any of you guys that use Apex, did you guys see the new rules that came out? I made a little Twitter post about it. But yeah, man, the new rules that just came out on Apex are crazy. So, you now need, what is it? You now need to have, I still use Apex, right? I will always, I won't say I'll always, but right now I'm still using Apex. I don't mind them. You know, they just want that longevity. So to be able to withdraw $2,000 from your funded, you used to have to make $52,600 because that was the buffer, right? So you used to have to make $52,600. Now, instead of being able to withdraw $2,000 and leaving yourself with $500 of stop loss, right? Now you have to make $54,600 to be able to withdraw $2,000. They say it's because too many traders were blowing accounts because they were, getting that $2,600 mark and then they just sell, right? They lose it, right? I think it's so that more traders lose their accounts before they ever hit the $4,600 mark. Because Top Step only does $1,000, right? You only need 5 days of $200 once you're funded. So, yeah, it's like there's definitely a bunch of different things in there, man. But yeah, that's the only bad rule. The rest of them are good. They're really changing around. They're changing the program around, which is good. But if that rule right there can change back to normal, or they follow Top Step's plan and how Top Step's been doing it, a certain amount of days over a certain amount, that'd be awesome, right? Sign up for the 50K last night with your code. Oh, yeah, buddy. Appreciate it, surprise. Appreciate it, buddy. Yeah, giving some champagne popping. And yeah, guys, if any of you guys ever wanted to, I'll link it here. What is it? Code buddy. With this new sale that just came off, that gets you 80% off. 80% off. I'm going to say $85 evals. PAs. And $35 resets on all accounts. So if you guys want to join me along the journey of grinding our way up to that 10K point, not 10K point, excuse me, grinding our way up to a funded account and then past the funded account to making a certain amount a month, probably like 10K a month off just trading. Because currently I have, if you guys want to see here, boom, I have 4 fundeds. Now, I've used upwards of 60, evals. Why? Because I used to do the CPI thing, where if you guys are aware of the CPI thing, it's where you could just go long one, go short the other, etc. I used to do all that. I don't do that anymore. I don't like to do that. I like sturdy, solid trading. But yeah, so traders, that's what we're waiting on. We're watching for. Just waiting to see what this market can do. But yeah, if you guys ever want to join up, man, buddy, use code buddy, 80% off. Appreciate it though, man. Surprises, my guy. Surprises filled with surprises. 24/7. We're coming in here, getting it going, baby. Yeah, buddy. So, yeah, buddy, traders. So, no trades on the plate just yet. 9:57 AM EST, guys. No trades on the plate. No trades. Let's call up the homeboy Owen here. See what he's got going on here shortly. Well, yeah, buddy, traders. So, no movement has happened yet in this market, man. We're getting a little bit of that pullback, but NQ's not having any of it. NQ from market open here, guys. Oh, it's a 5-minute chart. That makes so much more sense on why it looks like that. These are all 1 minutes, right? Okay, good. All right, NQ since market open has spiked up about 60 points. So nothing too crazy on it. It can definitely have one candle that can make this thing turn around and flip the gun. But look at Nvidia. Has spiked up, you know, 38 to 41. What is that, $3 already? Basically around, started up at basically 38, yup. Just hit 41. So that's one of the leading moves in this, well, move. So that's one of the leading indicators in NQ moving up like this. Is that NVDA, right? So, all right, guys. So, chilling out, waiting, watching. One thing I do want to look over are going to be some penny stock plays. So, if you guys have any penny stock plays for me to take a look at, feel free to call them out. Maybe you guys are like, YB, there's no penny stock plays that are really bumping right now. So, let's see. BIVI. BIVI. Let's see. Oh, wow. Beautiful jumper right there, man. Went from $4 to $7 and the lickety split. Now, a lot of the times on these plays, you can take a look. Again, we'll go over it for you guys that trade penny stocks. We'll go over at the news. 7:15. Let's see. What time did the spike begin? Spike started to come up a little bit more at 9:51, 52-ish area. So you can go back. At 9:54, nothing. All right. So there's nothing. At 9:54, just said that the stocks got halted to the upside. It's like, okay, well, we can all see that, right? So we see that coming up, and then boom. So that's it. So it doesn't seem like there's any news. So you got to be careful a lot of times. There's tons of different traders that trade penny stocks, guys. Right? Coming right back up here. Wow, look at that. So a lot of different traders trade penny stocks. So sometimes you'll see these stocks will make these rip gap up runs, and they'll go up to $8, $9, and then they'll just plummet. Why? Because you have traders on Reddit, you have traders in Discord that'll just pump and dump a stock up, a random stock, right? So this thing is a part of the, it says NASDAQ, but BioV Inc. Equity. Alright, well, BIVI. Next thing you want to do is go to Yahoo Finance. I love Yahoo Finance for this. Again, I'm not sponsored by them or anything. I just like using them. Then you just look up the ticker symbol, BIVI. And you want to check the float. Okay, so check the flow. Also, some of that past chart history. All right, so they were sitting around $1.28 and slowly grinded up until this giant spike here. Okay, whatever. That's nice. That's good to see, actually. Not whatever. So it's not like they've been flat, had a random spike today. They've been grinding their way up. All right, the shares and float is only 5 million. Why is that good? That means there's only 5 million shares in circulation. What does that mean? That means that if you were to buy 5 million shares, the stock price, this is what it would look like. We'll bring up Paint real quick. And some of you guys are like, this is just reiteration for you guys that trade penny stocks. Some of you guys know this already, but for those of you that do not, here we go. I got you. So let's say the stock price is chilling here. It's chilling out, not doing anything. And you buy 5 million shares. Well, the stock price is going to tusk, right? So it's probably going to double in price, correct? Right? Double, triple in price, whatever. The reason big corporate companies don't do that is because of this. Let's say there's investors that are in this from all the way, any time in between here. And let's say this is, you know, I don't know, we'll go with this is, you know, 50 cents to $1. Boom. All right. What happens is when they buy all 5 million shares in circulation, what would happen is they're going to get filled here, they're going to get filled here, they're going to get filled here, and also here. And then their break-even price is going to be somewhere in the middle here, like right around this area right here, right? So let's say it has a giant spike. Let's say then what happens is the investors that are in from down here, down at these low areas right here, right? The investors that are down from that low area, well, they're obviously going to want to sell, right? They're going to be like, okay, I'm up a massive amount on this position from me just holding out these shares, so I'm just going to sell. And then everyone starts to sell this playoff, And then what happens? Well, your initial entry was here. You're in with 5 million shares. Everyone's starting to sell their shares off. So now you're not even, it's not worth their time, right? And then what happens is, okay, hey, let's say, you know, all of this happens. And now, you know, let's even say this happens. So, okay, it's coming back down. And now the stock price is still double. Now it's sitting up here because when you bought in, you doubled the price basically, right? Because now the shares are worth double because you bought all the ones for $1, making it now, okay, you want to buy them, they got to be $2, right? Then you're probably going to want to get out for a small loss, or not a small loss, a pretty big loss of your position or whatever, and the stock price will go right back down and even lower than it initially was. Right. Why is that? Because you get filled here, 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 because you're buying up so many shares, right? They're not going to fill you all at one time down here, right? That's not how that works, or else, I mean, we'd all be, you know, we'd all be billionaires at that rate because we'd all just go take loans out, personal loans out, and just go buy up a bunch of penny stocks and make a crap ton of money, right? So that's why big dynamic traders don't really trade penny stocks. It's just not worth their time, and it's not, you know, the money invested. There's not enough return on it. I had a question about entries and exit on Tradeovate. Are you typically doing market or limit orders? Also, when you want to exit the position, are you doing just marketing out or are you using a trailing stop? That's actually a great question, Surprise. So what I like to do personally is I always do market orders. And why is this? I like market orders unless I have somewhere, unless I plan to walk off. Like if I'm like, all right, guys, I got to go do something real quick, but I'm really looking at this 420 level. I will I'll limit order in, right? I'll be like, okay, buy one limit here, and then I'll set a stop. I'll be like, all right, I'm going to get out here, right? Down here at like, whatever, 369, right? So I will do that if I'm going to walk away. But if I'm actively trading the charts, right, I like to just be here because the thing about futures that's different than options, or sometimes even penny stocks, is we get filled like that, right? Like the second you click that buy market or sell market button, you get filled. Boom, just like that, you're filled, right? So we don't have to worry about fill times. So hitting buy market, sell market is almost better because you know that you're getting filled whenever you click that button. Let's say I click the button right now. I'm probably going to get filled at 0875, 09, right? That's it. Compared to if I was trading options, I'll hit that buy button and the market could be pushing up like this and I might not get filled till right now, right? Compared to when I click the button, you know, down here at 506, I didn't get filled till 520. You guys get what I'm saying? So I always buy market. And with the trailing stop thing, if I'm in a position, I'll set a stop loss no matter what. If I'm in right here at, let's say 507, right? I'm in at 507, I'll set my trailing stop loss. Let's say my I'll set a stop loss. Let's say my stop loss is, you know, 479. Right? Okay, let's say the market's spiking up like it is right now. I will then remove my stop loss, put my stop now in the money, right? So that's all it is. So let's say the chart's here, and let's file new. So let's say there's a chart here, boom, like this, right? Market coming up, coming up, coming up, starting to come back down. Boom, I get that dip buy right in this area right here. Okay, so I get that dip buy. All right, so I'm in at whatever price that would be off the dip buy area. Now market's starting to come back up here, right? Well, my initial entry is, you know, these lows right here. My stop loss then is going to be probably underneath this last wick right there. Now with the market spiking up, ripping and running, right, like it is right now, right? See how it's pushing that high? Okay, cool. What's going to happen? Boom, boom, boom. And then, boom. Let's say it breaks out. I'm just going to get rid of this stop loss. Gonna get rid of this, and then I'm just gonna move this up more, right? So now my stop loss, instead of being down here, is going to be, let's say, right here, right? So no matter what, I'm locking up that initial, say, $30 or $100 or $200, however much it is, right? So we'll just put a money sign, we'll just put $200. So no matter what, even if the market came back down here and decided to take a dump on me and come back down and hit my stop loss, I still lock up $200 no matter what, right? So that is the benefit of using a trailing stop, because sometimes what will happen is that just won't happen. And it'll pull back just a little bit and then continue to push up. And then you can move this up more, right? You can just keep moving this up, keep moving this up, keep moving this up, right? So let's say you get rid of this stop loss or whatever, bada bing, bada boom, you get rid of it, right? And then what happens from there is you just move it up now up to here. And then you can move it up to here, and then here, and then, you know what I mean? So yeah, I really do like utilizing trailing stop losses a lot, due to the fact that I have a take profit area in. So I'm like, okay, hey, market's coming up to this high day, right? Let's back out all this, right? Boom. All right. So let's say market's coming back up. You know, it's had this dip by, it's starting to come back up. I get my entry down in these lows, right? I can note that, hey, this is going to be my take profit area at this high day, right? So let's say market starts to come up to it. That's my take profit area. Okay, it comes back up here and it starts to stall out right in this area, maybe a little bit above it. I'll probably take profit because I'm aware that, hey, this could be a potential take profit area. But let's say it comes up here and just starts breaking through. That's 100% fine. Then I'll just remove, move my stop loss up. When you're long, do you just had a sell order as a stop? Yes, 100%, yep. So, like, if I'm long right now, I'll just go sell, limit. Yep. I do use basically that. Yeah, I use a sell limit order then. So, it's coming up here, coming up. I'll just click sell, and then one stop. Boom, right there's my stop loss. I'm already in on the play. And then you just let that thing rock out, bro. You sit here hands-free. Let that thing keep racking up. Feeling great. Feeling like $1 billion. So, yeah, buddy, man. So, yeah, buddy. And that's that for you. And that's that for you. Okay, bet, big help. Thanks, bro. Gotcha, brother. Gotcha, man. Yeah, buddy. So, chilling out, man. Chilling out. Beautiful day ahead of us, guys. Time is out 10 a.m. We're going for the next 5 to 10 minutes. I'm just not seeing too much I can actually take right now. So it's really hard for me to be able to, for me to want to, continuously trade this, if that makes sense. So yeah, buddy. So yeah, buddy traders. So gonna chill out, wait and watch, man. But market just taking the complete U-turn right now, guys, off these dip by lows. Not bad. Again, I had the dip by there. I knew the market was going to be able to get that push rip run off of some of these lows, and I did think it was going to continue to spike up. I didn't think today was going to be a red day, but now my entries were just a little bit off from yesterday's price action. So yeah, buddy. You guys all seen the poster? Yup. It's a spin-off of the one from last year. You guys see it here in the flesh? Here, I'll bring it up for you bigger. Oh shit, YB's breaking the fourth wall. I see you there. I see you there sitting in your chair. I see you. Sitting there. Being good looking you. I've been able to see you this whole time. We have actually, I hear every no, I'm kidding, guys. I don't, yeah, breaking the fourth wall, guys. Anyways, yeah, see it? Are you following? And then down here says Jesus. You see that? Yeah. Is that cool? Isn't that cool, guys? You guys see it? And there's little feet walking. Actually, shout out to my mother for that. I did not design that. I'm not that creative. I did not take that characteristic in. So, shout out to my mother for that one. Made the poster for the wall. She did good with that. Great stuff there, man. Cause yeah. Got the little basket. You see the little guy there? Yeah. Okay. Yep. All right, guys. Yep. No, yeah. You guys are like, all right, YB. Nice one, buddy. Yep. Okay. Give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. I gotta take a phone call. All right, ladies and gentlemen, man. So chilling out, waiting and watching, guys. Sorry, I had to take a quick phone call there. But yeah, buddy. So ladies and gentlemen, man, with the time now being 10:16 a.m. 10:16 a.m. on the board, guys. Think I'm going to call it here. I didn't get any trades in so far. I don't like to sit here for too long if the market's not presenting anything, because then I get antsy, right? So, guys, I'm just going to call it here. Ladies and gentlemen, if you guys are feeling the same way, make sure to call it. Make sure to have a good day, man, and I will see you all for that Turn Tuesday action. Yeah, buddy. Traders. Take it easy. See you then. Peace.
Yeah.